Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. English Shorthand Dictation from Pitman Shorthand New Course Book. Exercise number 76. Start. Dear sirs, because of the rapidly increasing cost of copper and steel, we are obliged to increase the prices of many of the articles included in our catalog. Full stop. We extremely regret the necessity of passing on the higher charges to our customers, but at the present time this is the only possible course we can follow. Full stop. You will be notified when better terms are available on our supplies, and we are thus enabled to reduce the prices. Full stop. Yours truly,